Good morning. Ho ho ho. What a night last night. Firstly, look at Nala. We brought this bag over. Leona bought it from home. It'll be easier getting her about Venice and that. And she loves it already, don't you? Yes, you do. Just sitting in there. Aye, absolutely brilliant night last night. The group of people we met, I think it was 3 Colombians, an Iranian, and then me and Leona. We just had an absolute wild time, I'm not going to lie. The hostel was bouncing. It was just such a good night. Music was on point. Nala was good as well. People were loving you. Yes, you were. So the game plan today is, although we're quite rough, we're going to take Nala a wee walk, and then we're going to go into the centre of Venice and have a look at all the wee canals and that. Maybe get on a gondola, see around there. It's quite foggy today, so hopefully it's not too bad and we can see some stuff. So aye, let's go.
Passengers, we ask you a couple of minutes of your time to tell you very few simple rules in German.
Where's the sir?
My man, thank you.
Oh my god, Dane.
Now, pay attention to me. We go. 1 foot here. And 1
You make it look so easy.
Dane, you scared me so much.
My man,
Very good.
thank you.
Not that much. Guys, it's so nice you have to see the whole effect.
Good girl.
Fortunatamente amico vuoi, i genitori che mi hanno insegnato.
So that's us just got back from Venice. We came back to the hostel, then we went out for something to eat, and then we were sitting in a restaurant right by the window, and then this man came and stood right next to the window, and he was staring at us for about 5-10 minutes, and then he came in the restaurant and he was getting quite angry at me. He was saying, "You're American, you're American, I want to fight you, you've ruined my country." He was doing this for about 5 minutes and he was getting quite angry, and then he said I was a member of the Taliban, and when he said that I just thought, oh, here we go. Leona got quite upset about it all, so we got our stuff and left the restaurant. He actually kept on saying to me he was going to wait for me outside and deal with me outside, and while we were waiting to get our food he kept on going from window to window just staring at me. So we got our stuff, we came back to the hostel, and yeah, it's kind of put a wee bit of a dampener on Leona's day, because the plan was she was going to do a wee bit of travelling by train and just go from city to city, but now she doesn't want to travel on her own. So me and Nala are going to change our plans, and yeah, I think she's here for maybe a week and we're just going to spend some time with Leona. And yeah, I don't know what we're going to do. I think we might go by train or we might go and rent a car. So yeah, let's go and find out. Let's go and make plans.
Bravo. Come on, I'll lift you up. Come in then, I'll help you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, you've got this. You've got this. Go ahead, jump.
So the plan has been decided. We are renting a car and we are going on a road trip to Lake, where?
Como and Garda.
Lake Como and Garda. There we go, got the car keys and we've been upgraded to a BMW. Always get upgraded. No matter what, we went for a wee cheap one and we've just been, a better car. Yes! There she is.
Woo woo! Right, I'll just do the little video to check for damages.
Doing a wee video just to make sure there's no damages on it beforehand, so we don't try and scam us. Hey, let's have a look.
Luxury.
Right, how do we do this? Hold it there. Doop-a-doop. So we picked up the car and now we're just here to pick up. You coming for a road trip? You coming? Yeah. Right, let's drive. Let's just found this guy. Thank you very much. Thank you. There we go. And he's cycling about Italy and he's cleaning all the rubbish off the side of the roads. Look at it all. Brilliant, my man. Thank you. So that is us at Lake Garda, and yeah, we're just going to check into the hotel, get away from the edge. But so far it looks absolutely gorgeous, so looking forward to just chucking the bags in and getting out and having a wee walk around the town. But if you look here, there's it's like a big moat round here, and yeah, some sort of, I don't know, it's like an old castle, but it looks pretty cool. Oi, come on, let's keep going. Leona's away ahead because obviously Nala takes ages.
Come on. Yes. Jump. Good girl. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think?
Well, absolutely gorgeous room. Let's have a look. I've already been up here checking in, but wee bathroom, a wee shower in there, a bed, and out here we have what we want. A balcony. Look at that. No, let me go first. I'll check if it's safe for you, girl. Look at that. Yes, good girl. Row, good girl. Up you come. Up you come. Good. Do you like it? Do you like it? Mwah. Yes. So Leona has got a room just along the hall. I'll give her time to get ready, and then we'll go out for something to eat and have a look. But it looks like a beautiful wee town, as we were saying. Anyway, you're happy? Yes. You good? She's good, I'm good, Leona's good. So aye, see you soon. Come on.
What was it?
Hello. Come here, it's okay. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Hello. Right guys, good night from us. We're calling it a day here. Fingers crossed the fog lifts tomorrow, so we can get out and see the area properly and put the drone up. So aye, good night. Row. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Go over there.
Ice cream.
This is my good friend, David.
Colombia.
From Colombia.
Colombia.
Colombia man. Leona from America.